this lesson, I'm going to show you how to do word problems using addition. The first example is, I have 24 marbles. Joe gives me 5 more. How many marbles do I have now? Well, there's no plus sign telling me to add, but if I imagine the 24 marbles, and then I imagine being given 5 more, I can see that the words 5 more must mean add 5. I'm going to write down what I'm doing using numbers and a plus sign instead of words. 24 plus 5. Now it just looks like an easy sum. In fact, you can do this in your head. The answer is 29. Now, before you write the answer 29 on the answer line, it's important to think 29 what? Let's just look back at the question again. How many marbles do I have now? Okay, so the answer you write on the answer line is 29 marbles. Here's the second example. At 8 a.m. the temperature is 14 degrees Celsius. By 2 p.m. the temperature has increased by 6 degrees Celsius. What temperature is it at 2 p.m.? There are a lot of numbers in this question, and you may not be familiar with degrees C standing for degrees Celsius, so it may seem confusing at first, but actually the maths is easy. It says at 8 o'clock in the morning it's 14 degrees, but by 2 o'clock the temperature has increased by 6 degrees, so it's got warmer. Increasing is making bigger, so we're going to be adding. I'm going to write out the numbers so it looks like a math sum. It was 14 and it's increased or gone up by 6. Now you can see how easy it is. 14 plus 6 is 20. Before I write 20 on the answer line, I'm just going to check 20 what? The question says what temperature is it at 2 p.m. and the question is using degrees C to describe the temperature, so that's exactly what I'm going to do in my answer. So on the answer line I write 20 degrees C. The last example is Jane is 47 and her father is 34 years older. How old is Jane's father? Jane's father is older, so he must be more than she is, so again we're adding. This time the numbers are bigger, so I'm going to set it out as an addition. I write 47 and then directly underneath 34. And I'm going to put in my plus sign to show what I'm doing. Now I draw my line, check it's all lined up correctly, and start adding. 7 plus 4 is 11, so I carry 1 and put down 1. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus the 1 that I carried is 8, so I put down the 8. And my answer is 81. 81 what? The question was, how old is her father? So the answer is 81 years. Good. Now you can print out a worksheet and see how well you get on.